How to run messages ads. How to run messages ads. So you go ahead to click create, and remember facebook.com/ads manager, or you go through ads manager here. So messages, good. Show people ads that allow them to engage with you on Messenger, WhatsApp, or Instagram direct. Continue. Excuse me. So next, good. Now set up your message ad and where you want people to message you. Now ad type, choose the type of ad you want to run. Ads with click to message, start new conversation. Sponsored messages will engage existing connections. So click to message. And why I chose click to message rather, is when they click the ad, they go straight to your DM. So you can choose WhatsApp or Messenger. So you can select only WhatsApp. So untick Messenger. So this is my WhatsApp number, which I have already done. So you can select Instagram, but my Instagram account is not connected to my Facebook account yet. So you can select Messenger or WhatsApp. Now select a budget as usual, daily budget or lifetime budget, which I've already explained. Now the thing about this one is detailed targeting is done by Facebook based on the type of ad you placed. So this lets what our system explore more opportunities to show your ads. That's, to be completely honest, that's the main reason why I don't run messages ads. But for a start, it is very simple, and trust me, if you are selling things like information, you will get a lot of orders. Trust me, a lot of orders. Let's wait while this one is loading. So I've selected the page. They're asking us to select page. So yeah, I've selected the page already. Let's go back to add. I know that they still show the message. So here we are going to add image or video as usual. Then here we are going to add a primary text. Here you are going to add a description. Here headline, which is better as chat on WhatsApp. Now can you see text suggestions from previous ads? Now I don't want to waste your time. I don't want to make the video long because I've already explained this add image or video. When you click add image, you'll be able to click upload here to upload what you want to upload. And when you click add video, it's the same thing. You upload something, you click upload to upload it. Now the primary text is the catchy one, the one that is catchy. That will make people want to click your ad. Now description just in like details, more details on your ad. Now headline is the one that is bold, which you, like people will see. So you want to put a brief message there, something like chat on WhatsApp, or click send WhatsApp message. Now the call to action, remember learn more was the call to action for our other ad, but this one is send WhatsApp message. So you can choose anyone, learn more or contact us or send WhatsApp message. I prefer send WhatsApp message, which like tells them where they are going exactly. Like they are going to WhatsApp after they click this. So send WhatsApp message. Anyways, that's all on messages ads, which is very easy. And I said for beginners, this is just the best, and you can use it to sell information, all those 1K courses. This is the best for selling. This is like one of the best for selling 1K courses.